Right, Steve. And this trend, it goes in line with a public safety alert that was put out by the DEA just last week. What they are saying is that they have seen a 430% increase in counterfeit pills with fentanyl just in the past few years. Now, they say these pills are coming from outside the U.S., but what they are bringing are death and violence to U.S. communities.
This graph from King County shows the number of fentanyl-involved deaths, a staggering increase in 2021.
So we know that there are tons and tons, literally, of pills out there. And we know that it's increasing dramatically.
Caleb Bonta-Green is the principal research scientist at the UW Drug and Alcohol Institute. He says Washington State is catching up to the national trend when it comes to fentanyl use. In fact, just last week, the King County Sheriff's Office recovered nearly 45,000 suspected fentanyl pills.
This is going to increase. I don't see a way this isn't going to increase for a year, 2, 3 years. A dramatic increase.
Right now, King County Council is considering adding additional funds to educate teens and families about drug use. Council member Reagan Dunn sending this letter to the Budget Committee saying, "The crisis before us is worsening and will only claim more lives until we make a meaningful commitment to get the message out that it only takes one pill to end a life." Bonta-Green and the DEA both say the drugs look like prescription pills, but they're far more lethal and widely available on social media.
Families are continuing today to be as shocked and traumatized and blindsided as we were over 3 years ago.
This crisis taking one of the hardest tolls on families losing loved ones, like Trey, who died in 2017. After breaking his leg, he purchased a counterfeit pill disguised to look like Percocet that contained a lethal amount of fentanyl. He never woke up.
A part of you dies, and then the rest of you that's alive is broken. And you have to figure out how to live like that.
Professor Bonta-Green, what he wants to see is more mental and support health care. He also wants to see more education from all angles. In fact, at the University of Washington, they have created a few websites that are meant to be user-friendly to educate people about treatment, about addiction, and what to do if someone overdoses. Now, if you do want to see those links, just text the word addiction to 206-448-4545. We'll send both those links right to your phone. Live in Seattle tonight, Callie Greenberg, King 5 News.
Callie, thank you.